Massaging Darling's forehead. Down to her stick. Kiss me, Malaki. Massage until you stick.
Ginagawa mo.
Massage. Bakit? Sige. Isip na yung dining ko. Nap time na. Ah! Scratch. Massage yung back. Time na. Ha? Hi guys! I am massaging Pai-Pai para ma-ease out ang kanyang ubo. Massage. Kita yung tummy.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am having fun because I am massaging my darling. How about you? Are you having fun?
Massaging your body?
Mommy's massaging your body. Light lang para hindi ka masaktan. Kita tummy. O, disan mo na to. Tago natin tummy big mo. Yan. Back lang, back. Oh, tissue din naman. O, sige na. Sip ka na.